All right, so I thought I'd share. I'm working with my eighth grade science teacher, and she was looking for some activities or something to make the concept of point, non-point pollution realistic. One of our goals as a school is reading comprehension, specifically informational text. So, how can we go about doing this and generate some resources from it? So I went and found this over here, success stories about restoring water bodies impaired by non-point source pollution from the EPA. So I have a couple options. I can generate something from this or from any of their other sites here. But I also found a really good resource. It is a PDF. It is this one right here. So what I'm going to do is if you click on Brisk and you click create, I'm going to have it generate a presentation from this stuff here. So let's go ahead and do that. Create a presentation about this PDF. And you click Brisket. And it is going to then generate me a 10 slide or about 10 slides. Sometimes they'll give you an extra one. Sometimes they'll give you one less, but it'll give you about 10 slides because that's what I selected from that reading. So we can talk about these things. Then I could have them read the reading passage, and then we could go back in and have discussions about it. I could give them the reading. I could give them the slides. I could generate a quiz based off it. So it gave me 10, and it ended with some water quality knowledge. So here it gave, oh, there, give me some more. All right, so it gave me 11. So it gave me this last one here, conclusion and reflection slide. So I have this here. I could add on to it. So I could add a quiz, a vocabulary list. Let's go ahead and generate a vocabulary list. I'm going to keep it with 8th grade because that's the subject I'm doing. I could also, because I download it as a PDF, I could attach the document. Now, one thing about this is number one of the biggest rules is with AI and generating stuff, always look through it, always read through it, make sure it's what you want, make sure you don't want to add anything or modify it at all, make sure there's no bias within it, make sure the information is correct, and actually grab the right information from the reading. So now I not only have a presentation, I have a set of vocabulary words. I could then still use the same resource here. I could then have it generate me a quiz. I could have it create, let's create math word problems. Create math word problems about this PDF. 10 questions, 8th grade. So now not only am I doing ELA stuff, I'm having them read informational text. I'm also now being cross-curricular, and I'm generating some word problems. Again, number one rule is to read through them, make sure they make sense. So it gave me word problems. There's one problem though. I don't see no answers, and as the teacher now, I got to go figure it out. Now, if you want to do that, it's fine. Add answers to the questions at bottom. Brisket. So now what it's going to do is it's going to generate me those math word problems, but it should also give me the solution to those word problems as well. So now I have my answer key. There you go. So now I have my answer key to go along with it. So this is some of the cool things about Brisk. So I now can put these give these to groups. I can, after they're done reading them, I could give these to my math teacher if it correlates with what they're doing. And my math teacher could use these in their class. And now the math teacher and the socialist teacher, the elite teacher, they could all be doing their content in their curriculum, but they can take it across the boundaries of their classroom doors and walls and actually use it. So this is one of the things I love about Brisk, and I just share it with you because my science teacher in 8th grade was asking me to help her with some stuff. And so this is some of the stuff that I've shared with her. Obviously, it gave me some different stuff this time, but I thought I'd share it out with you. So hopefully this helps some people when it comes to using Brisk.